In last lecture, we have seen male reproductive system consists of different organs. In that, we have seen testes, epididymis, urethra, and penis. And the next part of reproductive system was sex gland or accessory gland. Now we are going to see those glands. As we know that there are three types of glands in male reproductive organs. So number one is seminal vesicles. Number two is prostate gland. Number three is Cowper's gland. So one by one we are going to see those glands. In this figure you will come to know that there are three glands. Number one is seminal vesicles. Below this is a prostate gland, and below that is Cowper's gland. And here urethra is present. Urethra is present, and which is followed by penis. So first accessory glands or sex gland is seminal vesicles. This gland, if you see minutely, you will come to know that it is elongated and 5 cm in length. It is present on posterior side of urinary bladder. Posterior sides of urinary bladder. So these seminal vesicles will be located on posterior sides of urinary bladder. It secretes alkaline fluid, and that fluid is called as seminal fluid. So the fluid which is secreted by seminal vesicle is alkaline in nature. Another, this seminal fluid consists 60% of semen. How much percent of semen does it include? 60%. And inside this seminal fluid, what is present? These three ingredients are present, or these three things are present in seminal vesicles. Fructose is present. Fructose will provide energy, or it will give energy for the mobility of sperm, which is coming from vasa differentia to different parts of male reproductive organs. So this fructose will provide energy for the sperm. Second is prostaglandin. Prostaglandin, what is the function of prostaglandin? It will stimulate vaginal contraction to help in fusion of gametes. So during copulation, when there will be the fusion of male and female gamete, that is sperm and ova, that time this prostaglandin, which is present inside the semen, will stimulate vaginal contraction. So it will bring contraction inside the vagina of female, and it will help in the fusion of gametes. Third one is fibrinogen. So fibrinogen plays important role in coagulation of semen. Second accessory gland is prostate gland. Prostate gland is the larger gland than seminal vesicle and Cowper's gland. Next important point of prostate gland is it is a single gland. Seminal vesicles and Cowper's glands, they are two in numbers. They are paired. Cowper's gland is also paired and seminal vesicle is also paired. But prostate gland is a single gland. A question may come, in male reproductive system, which of the following gland is a single gland? So that time your answer should be prostate gland, as it is a single located in male reproductive system. Next point is prostate gland is made up of 20 to 30 lobules. So it consists of 20 to 30 lobules. So and this prostate gland is present underneath or below. Underneath means what? Below the urinary bladder. It releases acidic prostatic fluid. What does it release? It releases acidic prostatic fluid into urethra. So this prostate gland, from this prostate gland, inside this urethra, this prostate fluid will be released, and which will be acidic in nature, and this prostate fluid will contain citric acid, acid phosphatase, clotting enzymes, calcium, zinc. These acid phosphatase will play important role to protect the sperm from acidic environment of vagina. So acidic nature is present in vagina. So to protect the sperm from this acidic environment, this acid phosphatase is released or is present in this prostatic fluid. So this is on our prostate gland. Third accessory gland is Cowper's gland. These Cowper's glands are small. They are P-shaped. Next one is they are paired. they are either side of urethra. So this is urethra. Here corpus gland is present. Here also corpus gland is present. From either side of urethra, corpus glands are present. So these corpus glands secrete mucus. So it will be 10%, and these secretion will help in the lubrication of penis in the vagina. So during copulation or intercourse or during sex. Last one is semen. Semen consists of mainly two parts. Number one is seminal plasma and sperm. So if you see any semen of any human being, so it will contain 90% of seminal plasma and 10% of sperm will be present. So seminal plasma means what? These fructose, prostaglandin, fibrinogen, citric acid, acid phosphatase, clotting enzymes, calcium, zinc, and this mucus. All these things will be in how many percent? Into 90%. So, and sperm will be 10% inside this semen. And this semen, the pH of semen is how much? It is 7.5. That is slightly alkaline in nature. So now, we have completed male reproductive systems. In next lecture, we are going to see the structure of testes, in which we will see seminiferous tubules and how does the formation of sperms takes place, and the process of gametogenesis. In gametogenesis, we are going to see spermatogenesis. Thank you. You can take a screenshot from the blackboard.